The wind never stayed long. It passed through the quiet village like a whisper, soft, fleeting, and gone before anyone could notice. But to one boy, it was never just the wind. It was a call. Every day, Wren climbed the hill above his village, standing beneath a sky that felt endless and impossibly far away. The mountains beyond were feared, whispered about in silence, a place no one dared to go and no one returned from. So he stayed, watching, wondering, dreaming, until the day the sky fell. It came without warning, a single fragment of light drifting down from above.
What if I told you that everything you just saw, every single frame, animation, and high-end visual was created for exactly $0? That's right. Every single AI tool I used in this production is 100% free. I've combined 3 powerhouse platforms to take these visuals from basic to mind-blowing. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how I did it. We are going to transform images from this to this.
The cosmos shatters before us.
Let's keep going!
These cliffs test our resolve.
And turn static scenes into cinematic videos like this. I'm not just showing you the highlights, I'm taking you through the entire process, from the very first step to the final stunning render. No gatekeeping, no hidden fees, just pure value. And for those of you who want to follow along exactly, I've already posted the secret secondary prompts I used for this video inside my Discord channel. Head over there, grab them for free, and let's get to work. What are you waiting for? We've got a lot to cover. Let's jump straight into the tutorial and start creating. First, we go straight into the theme section. We're gonna copy our core idea and deliver it to ChatGPT to craft what I call our master prompt. This isn't just a simple sentence, it's the DNA of our entire story. This is the stage where you define your character's soul, the colors of the world, and the specific mood you want to evoke. Once you've dialed in that prompt and ChatGPT has polished it into a masterpiece, copy it. This is the foundation we'll use to build our entire brand new AI style. Now we enter the meta theme phase. This is the birthplace of our character. When you type your prompt into Meta AI, this is where the magic happens. Let's copy that character description from ChatGPT and paste it right here. We're giving our lead a funny, memorable name, let's call him Shuffle. We're gonna set our art style to a cinematic sketch and change the dimensions to 16:9 for that professional widescreen look. If the design hits the mark, go ahead and download it. This is the face of your story. Next, we need consistency, and that's where the Whisk extension comes in. We're using version 7.6 today. To keep everything unified, we use a reference image. I'm using a horse I painted earlier as the style anchor. By aligning our story through Whisk, we ensure that every single scene looks like it belongs in the same movie. If the preview looks solid, hit OK. Open your project code and grab the prompt for your secondary subjects, like a student animal, maybe a dog or a fox. Now for the feature activity. We're taking the story segments we generated and using them to create full motion anime sequences. Copy the story from ChatGPT, head back to our comic book style settings. and fix the parameters for the anime camera, the animation speed, and the movement direction. Once you start pasting the images, hit Start. You'll see how Meta AI creates these incredibly dynamic, photorealistic visuals. Even without manually hitting an animate button, the AI understands the flow, creating a truly intrusive and lifelike motion that makes the scenes pop. To give our visuals a voice, we head to the AI Studio. This is our dedicated scriptwriting hub for the narrator. We'll grab the next chapter of our story from ChatGPT, select the single structure option, and paste it in. This narrator is going to tie all your scenes together with a professional tone. Once the audio is generated, download it and get ready for the final assembly. Finally, we move into CapCut for the edit. Import your objects, your Meta AI animations, and your Whisk consistent images. Arrange them on the canvas, layer by layer. Aligning them to match the flow of the script. This is where we drop in a soothing, futuristic track. Something like this, to set the perfect mood. Cut the clips to match the narrator's voice, add your transitions, and suddenly you have a professional-grade production. Look at this end result. It's futuristic, it's clean, and it looks like it cost a fortune to make. But here's the best part. It was 100% free. I'm right there with you. Don't have money to waste on expensive monthly AI subscriptions. This workflow proves that you don't need a big budget to create high-level art. If you found this helpful, let me know your honest thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.